I don't know if we're recording or not. I guess we'll find out at the next light. The storm is a-coming, but I'll tell you what, it feels real nice today. Oh, my bad. I found these gloves. They're pretty cool. They don't seem to be worn very much, but they're definitely used. Found them in a used car that got traded in. But they got these like foam paddings on the backside. I don't know if this is like a winter glove or a mountain biking glove or something, but it's pretty cool. Real bright and shit. Dang, big old spoiler on that Veloster. So I'm trying to just get better and get back to being me and become the guy I'm supposed to be. You know what I mean? I got a new seat. Shout out to my buddy Hungry Mandrowski. It's a Seat Concepts comfort seat. I think it's just the standard, but man, it's really comfy. The only complaint I have is that it's not as grippy as my ribbed seat cover. So like trying to clutch up and stuff, constantly like readjusting myself. But I can't complain too much. It was a good deal. Thanks, brother. Oh shit. Hopefully this isn't slippery. Oh shit, it gets a little muddy down here. Somebody came down here with like a four-wheeler or something. Don't slip. Don't slip, don't slip, don't fall. Oh, we're good. I've never been this way. I mean, I've gone down that section, but I've never been underneath this little bridge here. I think this actually turns into rocks too. Yeah, it just turns into like a creek down there. Dang, going up on the wall right that way is kind of sketchy. Good old supermoto shit. Oh, here we go. I'll just cut through the slippery moss. That's pretty cool. A little side adventure. You already know what time it is, bro. Mandatory stair set. Going uppies. Up-ups. Such a small stair set, but fuck it. We ball. Woo! I just bunny hopped again. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Peace.